Hi guys, we are in the forest back eating peanuts before our steaks and potatoes are done and recycling the peanuts back. Can keep talking, you know. No worries. Co to řekl ty? Tak to tam nedám, tyjo. Ne, to dám to best of, tyjo. Až bude novoroční. No jo, no. Nice -4 degrees. Our winter shelter, L shape. I'm here with my two friends. Beautiful place, warm, hot. Ready for our dinner. Yeah. We are having some beer and eating peanuts, so the cracking is not only for the fire but also for cracking the peanuts. Keep talking, but something I can put into the video. Nothing I need to cross out. Nothing X-rated.
I'm sorry.
Alright, the potatoes are to be done. Okay. Steaks are here. Local beer. Yeah, it'll be even better. And I'll put some spring onion and you will see. Okay. See you later then. Pohodě, jo, je to moc svorky.
Ne. Tady to máš prsa.
Tak trošku dám soli. Right. Smells good. Smells about good. Okay. Good. Let's go back to our steak. My friends say it looks luxurious. It looks luxurious, so I can believe them. It's delicious. Pork steak, pork cutlet, potatoes with some spring onions. Fantastic. Yummy.
Delicious.
You can say the truth. I will not kill you. All right. Another two guys waiting. Good morning, everybody. My friends have already left because they had to be at their jobs soon in the morning. Not my problem now. It's been a great night, fantastic, lovely. A little bit snowing, but no serious complication. And this is so-called Moravian breakfast. Enjoy your meal. Bon appetit. Non. Magnifique. Magnifique. And the best beer ever. Cheers, guys. Every new day is a great day. It's time to say goodbye. Let's head home. Nothing left.